Instagram released a new app or an app called Threads. In this video, I will show you how to use this app or this new release from Metaverse. From Meta and Instagram. So let's get started. First thing you want to do to see this option or this new app on Instagram, open your Instagram app. As we say, open your Instagram like this, your Instagram app. Then it show you your Instagram. What you're gonna do next, you go to the profile icon down right, sorry. Then go to three lines here. Then here, as you see at the menu, it show you option called Threads here at the second section. When you click on this app or this option, it show you this thing, this badge and this QR code and things like this, and your username and your dot and etc. When you click on Get Threads, it takes you to your Play Store directly to the Threads app. It takes you to the Threads app. Now, when you go to the Threads, you go to Play Store and search for Threads. It show there. You find it here. This is the original Threads app, Instagram app. Now what you're going to do, to get this app, you install it. If you don't have this app, you must install it on your phone first to use it on your app. Then when you install it on your app, on your phone, click on open like this. Then it takes you directly to this. As you see here, when you install your Threads app, it show to playlist or to your app list here on the screen of your Android phone. When you open it like this, it's open as you see here. Now my account is created using my Instagram account, original Instagram account, Earn and Learn, as you see here. Now, if you want to create account on Threads, what you're going to do, new account, you go to the two lines here at the top. Then you go to the account. Then what you're going to do here, or sorry, you get out from this, you log out. First, I log out from this account. Then as you see here, when you open the first time your Threads app, it show you like this. It says to you if you want to continue or to log in with Instagram Earn and Learn, or to switch accounts. You choose one of this option. So what you're going to do here, you switch your account. For example, you want to choose this account to use Threads from your page on Instagram like this. Now it takes you directly to the page. As you see here, when you open Threads app, it shows you posts from all your followers and all your Threads users on this app. Here, this is the page, the official page of the app. Here you can see the post, and you reacted with it by adding a comments or adding likes, for example. As Twitter, like Twitter, this background of this app is like Twitter app. It is the same as you see here. Now this is the posts you can react to on Instagram, on Threads. Now, for example, as you see here, many options down here. Here you can see your activities, mentions, and verified and replies, and all reactions on your Threads account. Here you can create a new Threads if you want to create it. Click on this third option. Click on it like this. Now you can add anything. Hi, friends. I'm new to. For example, you can add anything you want. For example, you can add like this, Threads. And when you finish, click on this here you can add files, for example, if you want. Then when you finish, you click on post like this. Now your post is posting. As you see here, you can view it. It shows on your profile. You can edit this post by clicking on these three dots. You can hide like count. You can see who can reply, anyone or profiles you follow or mentioned only. Then click done. Or you can delete this post from your app. From your profile. Now we go to the profile icon. When you click on the profile icon, it shows you this background or this page. Here, as you see, you can edit your profile like Instagram and like Twitter app and so on. Here you can add a bio to your account. You can add links. Then you can here the option to make your account private or public. Here, as you see, when you finish, don't miss click on done at the top. Now we go to next things. At the top, you have two lines here. When you click on the two lines, here you can check your privacy. If you want to make your profile private, click on this icon like this, which switch to profile, to your switch to private. Here you can manage also your blocked list from Instagram directly, as you show it show here. Now you can get back from this code. This code is your threads code. You can get back to your threads page. Now also you can check your replies here if you want. You can change your language. You can manage your account. You see account status from Instagram directly. You can also deactivate your profile, as you say here. You click on deactivate thread profile. You can take a break here. Take a break, schedule a reminder, take a break when you spend this amount of time at once on threads. You can take a break from 20 minutes or 10 minutes and so on. Also, you can manage personal information from Meta directly, as you see here. Also, what you're gonna do, you can edit your profile picture, as you see here. You click on edit profile, then you click on the icon or photo profile, then choose new photo profile. Then you choose a photo you want to add. Also, what you're going to do here, you can manage your notifications, you can make it all pause, and many things. I will explain it at the future. So this app is new to the users. It has many options to explain. Also, other account settings. When you click on other account settings, it shows you the Instagram settings. So this is how to edit or how to use the Threads app. I hope I explain it very well, and I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next.